Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 11 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to mold this. Now we're going to continue working on this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in some stairs on this area. So I'm gonna get the same one, so I'm gonna select that CS and then add it on the same here. Or instead of that, what we can do is close it and then just copy it, select, copy it from here, and then let's rotate it, RO, rotate it in 90 degrees, and then align it from here, and then now what we can do is we need to put the backyard floor into ground level. So limit offset 0, and then this should be ground level. So we need to just select this one. So there we go. Now we can select this one as well. So we just need to move them down, maybe just a little bit. So here, base constraint to be ground. And then we just need to add the flooring right here. And then here, with our exterior wall, we need to select that, and then base off constraint should be ground again. And then here as well, we need to change that to ground. And this one as well. So we just need to do that. And in order for this one to not be seen, we need to edit the boundary and put it on the inside. So I'm gonna use align to do that. And then click finish, and let's look at it in 3D. Maybe this area we shouldn't, so that it's still showing there. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and we could just change it up if it's something that is visible. But for now, I would like to extend this again, actual thread. So probably around 1000, because I want this one to be showing like this. I'm going to align it again. So it's like showing it like that. We can maybe move it more, but I think that's good enough. Or maybe we could just change it to 1200. to extend it more, make it 1500. So at least we know that we already extended it to the maximum that we can do. And then at least this one is showing like that. And then now go back to ground, and then here we could just click on edit and then maximize the space. Click finish. Here we could put it 300 and then AL. So I'm just using my arrow keys to nudge it in place, and it will look like that. And then here we could just move it all the way below, and then here we could just move it as well, so it doesn't matter if it's overlapping here. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the surrounding. So of course I want to have grass on the sides. And I feel like I want to extend the backyard. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unjoin that first, and then here I'm going to just maximize that space, and then here I'm going to edit the grass, and I'm going to select it again using my pick line, and then I'm going to maximize the area of the grass here. I'm gonna delete this, trim this here in the corner, make sure everything is aligned, and then I'm just going to select this again, and then trim and extend, and then trim and extend right here. I want to see it in 3D again, and then here I use floor number 4. See, I'm gonna CS that, and then I'm going to add a flooring right here, and if we see it into our 3D, it will look like that. I'm gonna go around here as well, or I'm just going to attach because at least I want my boundary to go around. So I'm just unconnecting that, and then here I'm gonna add some space, CS on the border wall. So this is around 1825, and then this is around, let's make it 2000. then this one as well, 1800, and then edit AL. I want it from the inside because I want to add grass flooring around as well, but I want to change it. So I'm just using my pick line again, using my TR, trim and extend. And then we're going to connect it from here, and then trim and extend right here, and then here, and then click finish, and it will look like that. Let's just add boundary wall connecting here, and then right here, and then why not add it in the middle? There we go. Even though it's overlapping, that's fine. So I'm gonna align this one right here, so that it's aligned on everything. And then here, the same floor, CS. We're going to go around here. I would like to extend it more. Then use AL to align it right here. And then pick line to go around. SL to break this one so that we get TR, trim and extend here. Click finish and check it out in our 3D. So we have that part. We need to have the street part, and then the boundary parts, and then the sidewalk as well. So here I'm gonna select that, edit type, duplicate, floor number 5, concrete. Let's use lightweight. So this is actually 5. It needs to be number 2, but for some reason I made a mistake of changing that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to add number 5 for now, and then here select this, change it to number 2. So same thing, still grass, this is still concrete. Okay, I'm just checking the material that I used there. For this one, I'm probably going to edit, or just to put this one at 1000. I think it's too much to put it there. AL, and then just edit this. So now let's add in the sidewalk. I'm going to just do a model in place, generic model, and just a simple extrusion. Rectangle, and then we're basically going to have a line here, a line here as well. Around 2000, and then SL so that we could cut this one properly, and then TR, trim and extend. So we're cleaning it first before we create or before we add fillet arc. And then fillet arc this one as well. And then 1300 for that. Instead of here, I'm gonna pull that one back like that. I'm probably going to delete this, trim and extend again, and then here fillet arc this one. And then click finish, and then here before we actually finish, I'm going to select that and then use another concrete material, one of this one, click apply, OK, and then probably 150 thickness, and then click finish. And then here it should be on level on the ground floor. So I'm gonna pick new work plane, choose ground, or before that select this, click it on a different work plane, and then press OK. Click finish. Let's look at it at 3D, and it will look like that. And then in terms of what we're gonna do here, I feel like this one is too high. I'm probably gonna minus 1500 here. I just want everything to be shown. And then we're going to place a gate here. So we're going to stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.